Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to share editable draw.io diagrams with people outside of Confluence. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you haven't already, is to click the Get It Free option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions. You can use your Google account, your Microsoft, your Slack, and Apple. And by following the on-screen instructions, you're good to go. Additionally, you also need to do the same thing in draw.io. Click the Start Now option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're all set. Now, sharing editable draw.io diagrams with people outside of Confluence is really straightforward and easy, all right? Now, once you are on the Confluence, okay, if you have the option, open the draw.io diagram you want to share, all right? Then export the diagram to a file format which is wildly compatible and editable. Now, when I went here on the Confluence, I would be switching over to the draw.io. Now, if this is the editable diagram here in draw.io, all I'm gonna do is click on the file option, export as, and from here, these are the formats that are image files and are not editable, all right? PNG, it's not editable. PDF files, what will happen is it can maintain the layout of the diagram and can be opened with many programs, including Adobe Acrobat and various websites. However, please be mindful that editing capabilities may be limited. Now, in terms of the XML, right here, this is the native format of draw.io diagrams. While not editable by default in most programs, it can be imported back into the draw.io for further editing. If you want that option, just click on XML and click on Export. All right, and of course you need to type in your the file name and click on where you want to save it. Is it going to be on Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, GitHub, GitLab, and download? All right, that's your option. I'm going to cancel this for now because I wanted to save it to Google Drive later. But let's explore other options. And the last option is going to be you can export it as your URL. All right, so you can put some border color if you wanted, from blue. Maybe we're using the red for now. Apply, click on create, and what will happen is you would get this link right here. And of course, once you've copied that, okay, you also have the option for preview. Okay, that's then give me the diagram. And again, you have multiple options here if you want to edit, export, of course, print, and a lot more. Click on edit again. And once you're happy with that, again, click on the URL and voila. Click on create, copy that, and export it to your external contacts in outside of the Confluence. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.